Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So in this video, I am going to show you how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your roofing company. Whether you are a business owner or a chatbot developer, this video is going to help you to create an automated WhatsApp chatbot that can handle roofing codes, schedule inspections, and share service details all without writing a single line of code. So let's dive into my screen for creating your own WhatsApp chatbot. Welcome to my screen. So in today's video, I will show you how you can create a WhatsApp chatbot for your roofing company. Roofing companies receive dozens of WhatsApp inquiries daily for quotes, inspection and service info. But they often miss messages after hours or spend hours replying manually. So this WhatsApp chatbot is going to automate responses, qualify leads and guide users to the right services 24/7. This chatbot is going to schedule inspection, educate users about services and provide instant roofing quotes. So now I will show you how exactly a chatbot works. For that, let's dive into my WhatsApp. As you can see, I have already opened my WhatsApp and now I am going to send a message to the number which I have already connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account. So now let's type a message hello. As you can see, as soon as I am sending a message hello, I am receiving a reply that is hi there, welcome to XYZ Roofing Company. We are here to help you with all your roofing needs. How can we assist you today? And I am getting three buttons: get a roofing quote, schedule inspection, our services. So now let's check what will happen if I select get a roofing quote. As soon as I am selecting get a roofing quote, I am getting a reply and here I have to select the type of the roof. Here I am going to type flat as the type of roof. You can see as I have typed flat, I am getting a message which is asking me to enter the area of the roof. So now let's type some area of the roof. Here you can see I have entered the area of the roof. I am getting a message to enter the details. So now let's enter our name and contact number. Here I have entered the name, that is user1, and I have entered a contact number. I am getting a reply, thank you, we will contact you as soon as possible. Now let's check what will happen if I have selected another option, that is schedule inspection. As I am selecting schedule inspection, I am getting a reply which is asking me to share my details, that is my full name, preferred date and time and address. Let's enter the details. Here you can see I have entered the name, date and time and address. After entering the details, I am getting an automated reply that is thank you, we have scheduled your inspection. You will receive a confirmation shortly. Let's check another option, that is our services. As soon as I am selecting our services, I am getting a message consisting of the list. Now let's check the list. As I open the list, I am getting some options. Now let's click on any of the options. As I am selecting roof repair here, I am getting a message that is thank you for selecting the services. We will contact you as soon as possible. Now, as you have seen, our chatbot is working properly. You can also create a chatbot like this for your business by using Pabbly Chatflow. For accessing the Pabbly Chatflow, you have to visit its website. Now you have to type its URL, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow for accessing Pabbly Chatflow. After entering the URL, you will get the landing page of Pabbly, and here you can see you are getting two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, you can just click on sign up free, and if you are an existing user, you just have to click on sign in. After you finish your sign up, you will get this page. Here we are getting many apps which are provided by Pabbly. You can access any of these apps, but for creating a chatbot, we just need to access Pabbly Chatflow. And here you can see we are getting the option for access now and learn more. For accessing Pabbly Chatflow, you just have to click on access now. After clicking on access now, you will get the dashboard page of Pabbly. As you can see, I have already added a WhatsApp number. You can also add your WhatsApp number by just clicking on add WhatsApp number. And on the sidebar, you can see many features which are provided by Pabbly. So first is inbox. This is the section where we receive messages from the user and we send message to them. Next, we are getting contacts. Here you can create your own contacts. Now another one is team queues. Here you can create your own team for managing the chatbot. After team queues, we are getting templates. Here you can create your templates. After that, we are getting broadcast. Here you can broadcast your messages. And the next we are getting is flows. Flows are basically the path which our WhatsApp chatbot follows. Now we are getting settings. Here you can manage your settings according to your will. And the last one is get help. If you need any type of support or help, you can just click on get help. Now for creating chatbots, we just need to access flows. For accessing the flow, you just have to click on flows. Once you click on flows, you can see we are in the flow builder page. Here you can see I have already created many flows. You can also add your flow by just clicking on Add Flow button. Once you click on Add Flow, you will get this Flow Builder page, and here you are getting the Flow Start node. Here you can provide the name of your flow. I am going to provide it the name Roofing Company Chatbot. You can also provide the name whatever you want. Now on the Flow Start node, it is asking me to enter keywords. So you might be thinking, what are keywords? Keywords are basically the triggers which a user can enter. Let's say we are entering the keywords like hi or hello. Here I have entered two keywords, that is hi and hello. And the next we are getting are regex. Regex are basically the complex keywords which a user can enter. And now we are getting the option for choose template. We can also add templates to our flow start node by selecting choose template. If a user enters a message, I want to send them a welcome message. For creating a welcome message, we just have to drag and drop. And here you can see we are getting many options such as text plus button, media, list, single product message, multi-product message and templates. But for creating a message, we just have to click on text plus button. As you clicked on text plus button, you will get a message node. Here you can type your message. Here I have typed a message for my user. Now I am going to create some buttons. For that you just have to click on add button. Once you click on add button, it will ask you to enter the text of the button. So just enter the text and your button will be ready. The first button I am going to create is get a roofing quote. And now I am going to create another button. For that I will just click on add button. Here I am going to create my another button, that is schedule inspection. Now let's create our third button. I have created my third button, that is our services. Now if a user select get a roofing quote, then I want to ask them some questions. For that I will just go on actions here, and here we are getting the option for ask question. So we will just click on ask question, and the question node has appeared in front of us. So now let's connect get a roofing quote to our question. Here I have entered a question for my user, and now I am going to select the contact custom fields. You can also create your own contact custom fields. For that you just have to go to settings. In the setting tab, you can clearly see we are getting the option for contact custom fields. You can just create your own contact custom fields by clicking on contact custom fields. So now I am going to select contact custom field as choice, and the format for contact custom field would be any. When my user entered the type of roof, now I am going to ask them another question. For that I will just click on ask question here. You can see we have got the question node here. Now I am going to type the message or ask the question. Here you can see I have entered a question regarding the area of the roof. Now let's connect this question node to another question node, and here I am going to select contact custom field as choice again, and the format would be any. If my user enters the area of the roof, then I am going to ask them another question for their contact details and name. For that let's click on ask question, and here we have got our question node. Now I am going to enter the message here. I have entered a message for my user. Now I am going to select the contact custom field as description, and the format would be any. If the user enters the details, now I am going to give them a thank you message. For that just drag and drop and select text plus button as you want to enter a message. Now here you can see we have got a message node. I have entered a thank you message here. Now let's enhance our flow and create a question if a user clicks on schedule inspection. For that just go on actions and click on ask question. And this is so easy, you are getting a question node here. Now connect your schedule inspection button with the question node here. Now let's enter the question. I have entered a question here regarding the inspection details. Now I am going to select contact custom field as description here, and the format would be any. Now if the user enters the inspection details, now I am going to provide them a thank you message. For that let's drag and drop and enter a message. Now here we will select text plus button for entering a message. Now I am going to type a thank you message for my user. Here you can see I have entered a thank you message for my user. Now let's enhance our flow by adding services to our chatbot. For creating the list of the services, I will just drag and drop. You can see you are getting the option for the list here. You just have to click on list. Now let's create our list here. You can enter header, body or footer for the list. You can see I have entered the header as our services and I have entered a body, and now I am going to create the list. For that you have to click on add section. As you click on add section, you are getting the option for entering the section title. Now here you have to enter the title of your list. For adding items to our list, you have to click on add items. Once you click on add items, you have to enter the title of your item. I have entered the first item of my list, that is roof repair. Now I am going to enter the second item of my list. For that I will just click on add items and enter the second item of my list. Let's enter our third title here. Now I am going to enter the last item of my list. For that I I will click on add items and enter the title of my last item. I have entered my last item, that is waterproofing. Now I want to connect all these items with a thank you message. For that I will just go on messages and select text plus button here. Now you can see I have got a message node here. Now I am going to enter a thank you message for my user and connect all these items of the list with this message node. So just drag and connect all these items with the message node. You can connect rest of the items also. Here I have connected all the items of my list with a message. Now I am going to enter the message here. I have entered a message that is thank you for selecting the service. We will contact you as soon as possible. Here we have successfully completed our flow. For saving the flow, you just have to click on save. Once you click on save, a pop-up will appear in front of you that is flow updated successfully, means you have successfully saved your flow. You can also create a chatbot like this by using Pabbly Chat Flow. So let me take you to my inbox section for showing you how we are receiving the messages from the user and how we are sending the messages to them. For that you just have to click on inbox section. Once you click on inbox, this inbox section has appeared in front of you. Here you can see we have successfully received the message from the user and we are sending them the automated reply. And this is the way you can create your own chatbot. So stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating more chatbots like this. So thank you for watching this video. You can create multiple chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chat Flow. So if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. And if you have any price related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So go and create your WhatsApp chatbot for your business and try Pabbly Chat Flow for free now.